Please let me stand on existing protocols. Good morning. It gives me great pleasure to present my remarks at this PAN prevention meeting today, May 29, 2023, which coincides with the inauguration of Senator Ahmed Tinubu as the 16th President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. My appreciation to Kerry Mangold for the awesome job she's doing in SSLN and the other team members. As a Nigerian country champion and member of the SSLN Advisory Committee, it has been a wonderful journey with SSLN since 2020. My country prioritized treatment while prevention programs were relegated to the background. However, with the mode of transmission study, which revealed that new infections of HIV were higher among unmarried young men and women, the low expenditure on prevention, at least as revealed by NASA study, and with my interaction with the PSAT as a country champion through SSLN, it was obvious that attention needed to be focused on the GPC pillars of prevention. It was easy to identify the gaps in the prevention pillars in many in the country based on the use of the PSAT and PSAT lights, and we developed country plan coupled with cross-learning from other countries via link and learn sessions, webinars, virtual tours, SSLN repository and website, and documentation of countries' best practice, among others. Thanks to SSLN for expanding my horizon on HIV prevention knowledge and experiences, through sharing exciting practice with colleagues. Working with other champions and government stakeholders, I became the chairman of KP subcommittee of the National Prevention Technical Working Group, which ensured that prevention programming was brought to the fore in KP programming. There has been rapid scale-up of condom and lubricant and KP programming in the country, with expansion to several states in the country. Currently, there are huge numbers of condoms and lubricants in the country for key population. I have applied SSLN learnings in ways that are relevant and timely to my organization's broader objectives as the deputy of party of USAID-funded KP-KETU project implemented by Society for Family Health. I also learned some negotiation skills as a member of the advisory committee of the SSLN during the expansion of the country to 15 from 10. It went smoothly for the additional 4 countries, but for the 5th one was tricky. We all had to give compelling reasons and justification for the selection of the 5th one before casting our votes. Very exciting and democratic. Recently, I was unanimously appointed as the study champion for both cost estimate and the funding landscape analysis studies, which are the TAs to be provided to Nigeria by SSLN. My thoughts on this PAN prevention meeting is one that will strengthen my networks with prevention counterparts from other SSLN countries towards learning innovations and promising practices that will enable Nigeria meet the milestones of the 10 actions in the GPC roadmap. I cannot end this short reflection without telling you about one or two from my colleagues in Nigeria and Uganda. Mrs. Ima John Dada, a country champion in Nigeria, said, as a champion, through the learning network, I've gained knowledge on improving and strengthening the quality of the country's HIV prevention program and coverage. Michael Kakonji, also a country champion, said, as a country champion, it has provided me the space to share experience on best practices with other colleagues within and outside the country, leverage their expertise to improve service delivery and effective programming for key populations. From humble Kamia McLean, a country champion in Uganda, she has this to say: the SSL has pushed us closer to each government institutions, Ministry of Health and Uganda AIDS Commission, among others, to enhance coordination and hold each accountable. And she went on to say that we have a national HIV prevention technical group, which has been a key platform for sharing experiences, learn from each other on the best practice and innovation from the country's programming agenda and priorities. On this note, I want to wish you all a happy deliberation and God bless you all. Thank you.